हेलो साथियों, आपके हालचाल कैसे हैं। उम्मीद है कि सब लोग बहुत खैरियत से होंगे और मज़े में होंगे और आप लोगों के दिन बहुत अच्छे गुजर रहे होंगे। तो आज हम नाउन्स सीखेंगे। Urdu nouns are quite complicated because they have genders. Now, I've seen many dictionaries and none of them teach the gender of the nouns, and they're quite difficult, to be honest, because some nouns are easy to identify, like they'll end with a, which is masculine, like ladka ending with a, therefore masculine, or ladki, which is ending with e, therefore feminine. So kind of like have a marker in them. A for masculine, E for feminine. There are a lot of nouns which are ending with a consonant. In that case, they are not easy to identify. So today, not only I'll teach you 20 nouns, I'll also tell you the gender of those nouns. Along with that, I'll give you a sentence. So it will really reinforce and consolidate all your learning. Let's go and learn the nouns in Urdu. I made a comprehensive list of nouns a while back. You can check the link in the description box. Today, the lesson is more basic and for beginner level students. Let's get started. The first verb is cheese. Cheese. Cheese means thing. Cheese. ये क्या चीज़ है? ये क्या चीज़ है? What is this thing? ये is this. क्या is what. Cheese is thing. So what is this thing? It's a feminine noun. ये क्या चीज़ है? The second word is घर. घर is quite a difficult word to pronounce. Ga and then there's a ha. घर. घर house. मेरा घर बड़ा है. मेरा घर बड़ा है. मेरा घर बड़ा है. From this sentence you can guess घर is a masculine noun. The third word is rasta. Rasta is a way, a path and also direction. रास्ता बताओ. रास्ता बताओ. Tell me the way. Tell me the direction. रास्ता बताओ. Next one is शौहर, which is husband. शौहर. मेरे शौहर अच्छे इंसान हैं. मेरे शौहर अच्छे इंसान हैं. बीवी is wife, बीवी, and it's a feminine noun. मेरी बीवी बहुत मेहनती औरत है. मेरी बीवी, मेरी is my, बीवी is wife, बहुत मेहनती, मेहनती is hard working, औरत is a woman or women. मेरी बीवी बहुत मेहनती औरत है. The next one is kutta. Kutta. There's a emphasis on T. The T is produced twice. Kutta. Kutta. मेरे कुत्ते का नाम ओरियो है. मेरे कुत्ते का नाम ओरियो है. कुत्ता is a masculine noun. दुकान. दुकान is a feminine noun. दुकान. आज दुकानें बंद हैं. आज दुकानें बंद हैं. The shops are closed today. दुकान is singular, दुकानें is plural. Now I made a video on how to pluralize nouns. You can check the link in the description box. The next one is beta. Beta. बेटा is son. मेरे दो बेटे हैं. मेरे दो बेटे हैं. मेरे means I have here. The possessive adjectives are also used as have and has to express have and has. So therefore here it means I have. मेरे दो बेटे हैं. This is quite a common mistake I see my students make, and they say मेरे पास दो बेटे हैं. But मेरे दो बेटे, for relationship you use the possessive adjectives as I have. Like ka ki as I have. I have made the videos on every grammar point, most of the grammar point I would say, and you can check my profile or you can check the playlist to learn from them. The next one is beti. Beti. मेरी तीन बेटियां हैं. मेरी तीन बेटियां हैं. I have 3 daughters. Beti is singular, feminine noun. Betiya is plural. Betiya. Next one is बहन. बहन. मेरी बहन न्यूयॉर्क में रह रही है. मेरी बहन, my sister, न्यूयॉर्क में, in न्यूयॉर्क, रह रही है, living, which implies that at the moment she's living in New York, might move in the future. The next one is भाई. भाई. मेरा भाई न्यूयॉर्क में रहता है. मेरा भाई न्यूयॉर्क में रहता है. My brother lives in New York. मेरा भाई is my brother. रहता is live. Next one is सास. मेरी सास. सास is mother-in-law. मेरी सास शिकागो में है. मेरी सास शिकागो में है. The next one is दोस्त. दोस्त is friend. दोस्त. मेरी दोस्त जा रही. मेरी दोस्त पाकिस्तान से है. Again, dost is like a noun which can be feminine and masculine, depends on the person. Here, meri dost is implying that the friend is a female. Meri dost Pakistan se hai. The next one is Mosum. Mosum. Mosum is weather. Mosum. Mosum ठंडा है. The weather is cold. Mosum ठंडा है. ठंडा is cold. It is masculine because ठंडा is an adjective and it's ending with a, making it clear that the word mosum is masculine. Next one is garmi, which is warm or heat. बहुत गर्मी है. It is very hot. बहुत गर्मी है. It is this word is used for the weather. बहुत गर्मी है. बहुत गर्मी. It's so hot. It's so warm. The next one is सर्दी, which is cold. It's used for the weather. यहाँ बहुत सर्दी है. यहाँ बहुत सर्दी है. यहाँ means here. बहुत means a lot. यहाँ बहुत सर्दी है. यहाँ बहुत सर्दी है. Next one is pani. Pani is a masculine noun. You can see that's ending with E sound, but it's actually a kind of noun which is not really following the rule. It is masculine. Pani ठंडा है. Pani ठंडा है. The water is cold. Pani ठंडा है. The next one is आदमी. आदमी is a man. आदमी पानी मांग रहा है. मांगना is to ask for something. आदमी पानी मांग रहा है. The man is asking for water. The next one is sabzi. Sabzi. Sabzi is vegetable. मुझे सब्जियां पसंद है. मुझे सब्जियां पसंद है. I like vegetables. मुझे सब्जियां पसंद है. The sabziyan, the vegetables are liked by me or appealing to me. The next one is gosht. Gosht, which is meat. Gosht. इसको गोश्त पसंद है. इसको गोश्त पसंद है. इसको means he or she likes the meat. The meat is liked by her or it's appealing to her. This is a literal translation. I just try to explain the literal translation so you can understand the meaning behind everything. I hope you have learned a lot. If you have, give it a thumbs up because somehow it helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you want to have a PDF file of today's lesson, go to the link in the description box and become a patron. इसके अलावा मैं आपसे कहूँगी कि आपका दिन अच्छा गुजरे और फिर मिलेंगे. Goodbye.